Welcome to today's TW Daily Challenge, which is all about turning this into this. That's it. It's going to be character creation for today. And you're going to design and create 5 really cool characters that we can use in a play, a movie, or a storybook in the future. And don't worry, we'll create videos around that so you get the chance to do it. So, that's 5 characters in which we have questions below this video on either YouTube or our website, TogetherWe.com.au, in which you'll answer all those questions about each of the characters you're going to design. Okay, so those characters can be good, bad, evil, funny. You get to decide whatever they are, and even if they're friends or enemies with each other. So, let's think about character creation and how we go from something like this to more of a Harry Potter style character. So you may just start with a name. Let's just think, this is Harry. What does Harry do? What are his challenges? Who are his friends? When you call him Harry Potter, then he starts to become more interesting. What if you were to say that he's also a wizard? What if you went to a school that's called Hogwarts? Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. What if he had an enemy named Draco? What if he went to all these magical and mystical classes? It starts to become really, really exciting, and it turns a character from something that's plain like that into something that's full-bodied, who has a storyline, a backstory, friends, enemies, whatever. So, we all know Buzz Lightyear, and we all know everything about him. So today you're going to create your own characters that could end up being as exciting as something like Harry Potter or Buzz Lightyear. So your challenge is 5 new characters by answering all of the questions below this video to create a really cool character that we can use in the future. So, from everyone here at TogetherWe, we cannot wait to see what you achieve with this challenge and all our other challenges. We'll see you tomorrow.